Hello everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. I hope you're doing good today. What I'm doing is St. Patrick's Day styled nail art in kind of a French manicure that I've just grown to love this kind of style. I've already got started on my manicure because I just have the shakes so bad today, and I'll refer you how to start with this if you don't know to, I have two videos that I've done similar up above. My Valentine's nails and my Santa suit nails. I will put a little link up above. Just follow that little eye. What I did was, on most of my nails I applied, after my base I applied Starry Night from Modelones. Then I have also from Modelones in Wonderland. It's like a clear greeny gorgeous color. And then for the little stripe I used from Modelones Golden High Heel. And then just now I put on, it took me a couple of sessions to get this all done, and then just now I put on grip gel, and I'm just going to show you real quick how I put it on. I went and put it on like this up to the gold part. This one I believe I accidentally wiped it off, and I just bulldozed it over here as well. There wasn't any extra thickness on the part that I've already have extra layers on. On this nail I accidentally forgot Starry Night at first, so I have one layer of the green first, then Starry Night, then another layer of green. I'm actually preferring it that way. Now what I'm going to do is get out some glitter. This is what you guys missed in my Valentine's nails that I didn't record. I'll put a picture up to show you what that looks like. What I have is from the Nail Candy Shoppe, silver and gold. Had these for quite a while and I've used a lot of the glitter up. So I'm going to try using that. And they also have some 4-leaf clover Shamrocks that I want to put on. And I found out some things when I was doing the hearts on my nails before, that you actually want to put the big chunks down first. It's a lot easier, and if you prefer, rather than having them sticky on your nails, you can mix it in with some base coat or your grip gel or whatever you have, your clear polish, whatever. I'm just going to put a little bit gel on my brush just so that I can pick them up a lot easier. I'm using base gel because some kind of decor like these, base gel sticks to it better than, see, it's not sticking to my grip gel. So I'm gonna put a little bit of base gel right under it and just put it down where I want it. And I'll top it with some base gel because it just stays a lot better. Sometimes top coat just doesn't like to stick to base gel is what I'm trying to say. So let me just put a little dollop. I'm just going to flash cure these in place. I've had these, some of you have received these in one of my giveaway wins. I separated out my pack of Shamrocks last year. Just putting a little gel on my brush to pick them up with. And I just feel like more than one. If they're not laying flat, you just you can find a spot on your nail that's flatter at, and you may want to put 2 layers of top coat. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm just trying to find a spot where it kind of lays flat naturally as much as possible. Hard to tell when you're filming if it's covered or not. I believe I've got it all covered, so 5 seconds in the lamp. Just gonna get out a little fluffy old brush, and I'm just going to stick the glitters into the glue gel that was already on my nail. And I don't really want them on my shamrock as much, I don't think, so I'm just going to wipe it off when it's on top. You can also get a dotting tool out to move your glitters to where you want them. You can always take a C-curve silicone tool. This one I got from Beauty Big Bangs, and just make sure it's all pressed down. Could have been moving this to begin with this. I just wasn't thinking. I have a lot of glitter to wash off my hands afterwards. But you do want to make sure it's all pressed down. Last time I experimented, I mixed some of it in with my base gel. It was a little easier to get on, but sometimes some I had a little lumpies I had to buff off. I want to add one more thing to my thumb. I was wanting to put them on all my nails, but I could only find, I've only have rose gold in the small ones. So if somebody can give me a link to gold, these little squares, I'd appreciate it. I have these big ones in silver I want to put down on my thumb. So I'm going to add a little more base coat. Or when I base coat it in, I guess. I'm just going to float my base coat over. If you give it a nice even coat this time, the top coat will go on perfectly. And anything going beyond where you want it to, where you think you'll pick at it, just push it on in. Double check if you don't want the glitters overlapping. Double check that out now before you cure it. I probably should have just mixed it in with my glitter. Or my glitter in with my base gel. That's what I did on my right hand last time. On my right hand last time. And I did this way on my left. I couldn't remember which way was the easiest. And I want to put a little extra here because I want to put the little blingies on. Just kind of let it level out as you go. I dare to try to pick it up with gel. Kind of mimic a little belt buckle. I'm going to give this a flash cure real quick so I don't lose it, and then I'll finish the others. I did a little boo-boo, and I'm going to show you. I got it where it was on my skin. You can feel that in the lamp right when it's cured. You can pull your skin back, and usually that'll dislodge it from your skin. That's something we want to avoid. Now I'm going to show you how I would repair that. Getting out 99% alcohol. I'm going to let the alcohol sit, do its job, and just wipe it off. Then, very carefully, if you can, hold it with your other nail. You're doing it on yourself. And just file it gently. Don't worry about scratches, your top coat will take care of that. Then I would wash it again with alcohol. Make sure nothing's on my skin. If I'm going to have any problems with these nails, it's going to be right there because I made a boo-boo. So everybody, thank you for watching me make these cute little St. Patrick's Day nails. If you're new here, please hit subscribe. That will really help me out. I appreciate it. Make sure your bell is clicked and turned to all so that you'll receive notifications from my channel. Let me get my other nails done and take some pictures, and I'll put them at the end of the video. Thank you, everyone. I really appreciate every single minute you watch. Till next time, you be you and I'll be me. Bye-bye.